So a lot of the experts are calling this 2019. I'm no expert, man. I'm not here to call it whether it's 2019. But you can see here, we did get a major push in 2019, which led us in 2020. And if we pull up the charts here, you can see, family, that BTC looks like it wants to put in an insane head and shoulders pattern. You can actually see the head here. It just put in the arm right there, and it looks like it wants to, well, the shoulder, should I say, my apologies, the shoulder. And it looks like it actually wants to put at the put in the arm. So again, very, very, very bullish pattern. We're also seeing the volume here. The RSI looks like it wants to reset on the stock, but we still get a little bit momentum on the relative strength. So very, very, very bullish momentum, and we are over 26.8, which is a psychological number, headed into 30K, sitting at 27. So at the end of the day, man, we we are potentially going through a banking crisis, which is positive for BTC, and a lot of the people who were inside the market for the last 6 months get an opportunity to really celebrate these prices as we continue to push upward. So, keep that in mind. Also keep in mind that we are in a macro environment, which is quantitative tightening. But at the end of the day, the Fed possibly injected 297 billion over the last week. This here is the largest spike higher since March 2020. And you know what happened in March 2020? We literally, family, as soon as we capitulated, the Fed turned on the money printer and we went parabolic. So will this happen again? Is this time different? I'm not sure, but it looks like the market wants to price in a 0.25 federal rate hike. If we get a pause, that would be extreme bullish. I think we keep momentum going into 30K. And again, when you look at this chart here, if I could pull back up my chart, it's at the bottom here. Our target point would be somewhere between 41 and 43K if we see this head and shoulders pattern actually play out. So a lot of bullish momentum. The reason I pull up the Bitcoin chart, because at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter, man. All of these altcoins are going to go parabolic. I mean, you can buy literally Tom, Sue, and Jim, and it's going to go up 100% to 1,000%. So you can already start to see a lot of the projects go parabolic. The strength will lie in the narrative. So, if you're investing into narratives like AI, layer twos, meme coins, the narratives that have the most strength, your portfolio probably will do the best. So enjoy the gains for the weekend. Understand this is a weekend pump, so you want to be a little bit cautious. Many think the banks are buying risk on assets after getting those loans. What are driving the market? So you got to ask yourself, is the banks driving this market, or if it's retail? People are looking at the banks with the intentions to earn far more yield than the original asset from the loans. So they're loaning out these bonds, these treasuries and things of that sort back out to the Fed, and the Fed buys them. In return, they get a loan for the year. That's really taking care of the back end of the balance sheet for these banks, as most of these banks were tail end up, and really not having the liquidity here to provide for the customers, as we have been seeing bank runs on some of the top banks. So which is again positive for Bitcoin, a very, very bullish narrative, as many are starting to understand that Bitcoin and crypto is the answer. Why use a savings account where you can accumulate far more interest and potential just parking your money in Bitcoin? So again, we are seeing positive reactions right here for the crypto space. I was supposed to drop a few more videos, but when I got in, I was so tired I accidentally took a nap, so I didn't get an opportunity to roll out that live stream. We will be live tomorrow, so please keep that in mind, family. And again, let's just enjoy it. Last time Bitcoin was sitting at 27.6 was June 13th, 2022. And last time ETH was above 1,800 was August 10th, 2022. So we'll just have to see how this weekend, what this weekend has as far as entails. We do have a FOMC meeting next week, and most people are getting prepared for the FOMC. Let me know in the comments if you think the Fed will do a 825 a pause. I'd love to know you guys' opinions in the comments. And we'll be putting a few trades. I actually put a few trades out on the Patreon. So if you are part of the Patreon, I've been putting a few trades out there. We just updated a watch list, and I'm going to pretty much break down those projects that we updated on the watch list. So if you're interested in stuff like that, make sure you check out the links in the description. Patreon is very available, and you know, not expensive. You know, anybody can pretty much join the Patreon. So you guys go check that out, man. We're pulling super decent plays and you know, making these gains in the crypto winter. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the current market, and enjoy your weekend. It's your boy Soap Guys TV, Millie.